Hello, how you doing? Look, today we're going to do a lovely sweet potato. I'm going to cook my one in the air fryer. You can use it in the oven if you don't have an air fryer. We've got chickpeas and spinach. It's delicious, it's vegetarian, it's healthy, and it's vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Just a few little light holes in it, just so it doesn't explode when you cook them. I'd say nothing deep or anything, just surface cuts. So I've just popped that in a bowl, and I'm going to use some olive oil. You can use a different oil if you want. Just give it a little dab over. Just a little surface rub. Try and do as much of it as you can. And then I'm going to add some salt. Just sprinkle it with a bit of salt. Flip that over, just do the other side. And then we're off to, in my case, the air fryer. So I've just placed that sweet potato in there and put any excess oil just drizzled over the top. That's going to go 180 for 15 minutes roughly for this size, but we'll check it. Very simple. Okay, so I've got some oil in there. I'm using a olive oil, about 3 tablespoons. We're going to put half a cup of onion in there, a couple of teaspoons of chopped garlic, medium heat, about 3 or 4 minutes. Fabulous. Next up, we're going to drop in chickpeas. I got these from a can. If you're using them from a can, please do give them a nice wash in some cold water. We're going to add, let's take a look there. I've got a teaspoon each there of salt, pepper, thyme, and sweet paprika. And then I've got like 4 cups in volume of a light spinach. We're going to go for about another 4 minutes or so, stirring the spinach in, and it will obviously reduce down as it cooks. Keep it moving fairly often. And off goes the heat, and that is beautiful. So we've got half a cup of tomato, cut nice and small, half a cup of cilantro or coriander, and then below that we've got a tablespoon of lemon juice. We're just going to give that a little mix together. That's just a nice little topping there. Really, really simple but delicious. So our potato's ready. Like I say, I've air fried my one. I love the air fryer at the moment. I'm using it a lot. It's a fabulous thing. But you could put it in the oven if you want. So what we're going to do is we're going to just cut it open. Like so. What a lovely vibrant colour that is. We're going to take a fork to that, and I'm just going to mash that down back in a moment. Next up, we're just going to get some of our chickpea and spinach. We're going to place that on. I mean, this is enough for 2 really. This is half that sweet potato will serve 1 person. And then we just take our tomato, cilantro, and lemon juice and just place that on the top, and you've got yourself a really fabulous lunch there. Really, really, really beautiful. Super happy. Okay, that's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.